to my channel. My name is Mahrii if you're new here. Today is Christmas Eve and I'm going to try to get all bedazzled up. I have some errands that I need to run. My plan is to go to Costco maybe, HEB, and if I still have energy left, I'm going to meet up with my coworker and we might go get some Indian food. Can't promise, but that's what I want to do. This year in Houston, Christmas is pretty much going to be between 70 and 85 degrees. So down here in the South, that means it's barbecuing time. So I'm going to barbecue today. So that way we don't, have to mess with the barbecue and stuff for tomorrow on Christmas and smell like smoke. So today I'm going to buy some things to make a Christmas barbecue feast. I haven't even wrote a list. I figured let me get up, let me get dressed, let me record this video in the process, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I have a few new makeup products that I want to try out. So I'm going for a classic neutral look and a red lip. So right now everything is looking crusty and I need to take my hair down that's been in flat twist, I feel like, for a week. So it's time to take it down. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna just run through this. I'm not going to talk through it. I'll probably do a voiceover just because I'm pressed for time and I need to hurry up. So let's get started. right, so to be honest, you guys, it's been a long time since I did a twist out. I don't really know what I want to do, if I want to leave it down. I think I want to put it up. I got my faithful banana clip, and I'm just going to go for a high puff, like a natural Niecy vibe, because you guys, it's going to be almost 80, it's going to feel like 85 degrees here in Houston, and I'm not trying to sweat my hair out that much. Like, I'm not trying to sweat it out at all, but I'm just gonna put this banana clip because that's the only way I can get length and volume, is just by doing a banana clip. So I don't know, I guess I will leave it like this, but I feel like I look like a Christmas tree, so I think I'm going to just kind of do like a messy bun. I think that's cute. Yes, I'm feeling this. I'll be back. I need one more clip. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. And to be honest, I'm already frizzy. I already got the frizzy, messy look going on. So I am just pulling out my little faux sideburns. I'm not doing baby hairs. Whatever is there because it's going to be hot today. And I don't need edge control melting down my face. But this is what I'm going to work with. You guys, I need to get my lashes done, because I have like this major gap right here, and I keep trying to manipulate the gap. Okay, that's manipulated as good as it's gonna get. So anywho, you guys, this is the look. Let me zoom in. So this is Ruby Woo and Cherry Lip Liner by MAC, classic, nostalgic. And I'm going to cover my face up with a mask because that's just the time of life that we're still in. So anyhow, I'm going to finish getting dressed. I'm going to put my pants on. I just put my shirt on so that I can do my makeup and my hair and not make a mess. But now I need to put on my pants and my shoes. And I need to get out of here because it is 8:34 and I need to hit up HEB early. Come back home, drop the groceries off, go to the bathroom again, and then head out to the mall. I think the malls are opening up at 10. So as long as I get there by 10 or whatever, I can do that, get what I need to get. And I need to check to make sure I have charcoal. I know I have charcoal, but I need to check on the lighter fluid. And then maybe I'll have enough time to go to eat some Indian food, because I have not had Indian food from a restaurant since I left Michigan, which was about to be 8 years ago. So I'm really excited for that. I really want to do that today. So anywho, I'll check in with you guys later. All right, so as I wrap up this video with my Texas barbecue Christmas dinner, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, even though I came back towards the end of the year. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, like, share, keep it nostalgic. I can't wait to see where next year 2022 is going to take me, and as of right now, I will see you guys in the next Christmas vlog. Ciao.